Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a line chart. My name is Mercy Consolidakela. Let's get started. So to create a line chart in Power BI, what you're going to do is to choose line chart. Once it's there, we are selecting our x-axis as the date, and then our y-axis has to be represented by, we are trying to look at the average speed of answer. So speed of answer here. So we change this from sum to average. And then for our date, the year is just a single date, so we can remove it. Quarter is also a single quarter, we can remove that. Month, we have 3 months. I want to look at it in terms of the day. So that is that. Now to format your data, you come over to format your visual. For the x-axis, make the values bold, increase the font size, change the font color from gray to black. Then for the title, you can make it bold and change its font color as well to black. And then if we don't want it to appear, we can just turn this off. Next, we can look at our y-axis. So for the y-axis, we do the same. Make our value bold, change font color to black, can increase font size to 10. And for the title, can make it bold, font color is black. Next, I am all for trying to make the visual as simple as possible to ensure that our reader is not confused and distracted. So I'm going to remove the grid lines, turn them off. And lastly, we have to work on our title. To do that, you go to General, select Title, make it bold, and place it in the center. So that's it for the title. The last thing that we can do is to ensure that the visual has a border. So just turn it on from there. You can increase the width size from here to 3. So that's it. Now to have what we're having on the right hand side, let's just copy this, copy, and then drag it here. So that is that. We want to ensure that we're having a legend that displays our agents. So basically you're looking at the average speed of answer in seconds by day and then by the agents. So to do that, we have the agent added as the legend. Now you come to filters if you want to adjust them, and then under agent here I wanted to select only those agents that are female. So Becky, Diane, and Martha. So that is that. Then for the legend format, come back here. Under legend, we want to change the text values. So we can make it bold, can increase font size slightly. And then the color, we change it to black. So that's your chart. There are other modifications that you can make to the chart. You can add data labels. You can add data labels by turning them on here, but I decided to go without because of the overcrowding. As you can see, you can add markers to them. You try and make your chart as simple as possible. So for this video, that has been it. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.